Have you been cutting your own hair during the pandemic? Or do you have a fluffy pet who you brush and you end up with a bunch of hair? And you wonder, can I compost this hair? Yes, you can. In this video, we'll talk about why and give you a couple tips. Hi, I'm Amy Landers with GardensThatMatter.com, where we believe your garden is the key to better food, a better life, and a better planet. And composting is a big part of that. And we really want to get anything that is organic waste that comes from a plant or an animal, we want to get that into our compost piles so we can then add it back into our gardens, our yards, be building healthy soil. And hair is full of nitrogen. Nitrogen is in our green materials, our nitrogen-rich materials. It's an important part with carbon of what the bacteria and the fungi, the microorganisms in your compost, what they need. So hair is going to be a great addition. It's nitrogen-rich. All right, so you can definitely sweep up hair from a haircut you do at your house. If you groom your cat or your dog, that hair can go in. If you or a friend have a salon or a barber shop or a grooming salon, that hair can also get composted. You do want to be a little cognizant, a little cautious about any products that have been put on the hair. Those could be detrimental in your compost in large volumes, but just a little bit of hair, it's not going to be a big deal at all. All right, so when you put the hair in, you could put it right in with your coffee grounds and your eggshells and your orange peels. So you're just going to sprinkle it around and mix it in with these other materials. So we'll cover it with some leaves or other dry carbon-rich material. And then in this case, this bin's already pretty wet. It doesn't need to be watered. And I'm going to cover it, keep out any critters, and we're good to go. So if you don't have a compost pile yet, you can also bury hair. It is going to take a couple years to break down, but that's no problem. It's going to be holding moisture and releasing that nitrogen to the bacteria in the soil and in your compost, helping make it nice, rich black gold. And it's as easy as that. You can compost hair, just spread it out in your bin and you're good to go. Do you have more questions about what you can and can't compost or about composting in general? Well, we've made it easy for you. In the description for this video, you'll find links to our website, GardensThatMatter.com. One of them is going to take you to a spot where you can sign up for the ins and outs of composting. This is a quick reference you can print to make it easy to know what can and can't go in the compost. Thank you so much for watching today. If you want more garden goodness, be sure to subscribe. And if you know somebody else who's interested in composting, I'd love for you to share this video with them. Until I see you again, happy gardening.